Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is coming up pretty soon. There's a guy on the bike. So every year, every November, this turns into a race road track, and you'll see cars all the way going up and down. So in a minute, we're going to be going into this place, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So we're just going to follow this way. And we're going to go into this space right here, and I just want to take you into this Grand Lapa because it's kind of a cool little lobby. And right across the road is Waldo, Grand Prix. I'm going to go on in. I'm just going to take a look right in here. There's a lobby, and you go right up in there. Big chandeliers. I'm gonna go right up there in a minute.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.